I just interested in same brother now. What did
But were they allowed this into the country?
Content creator.
they go enter now?
They enter.
Did they enter now?
They go enter. Why not?
Did they enter since?
Yeah, friends of course.
Even my guy needed a spot to my message.
Where do we stand?
That's please friends.
Yeah, it's okay.
No, it's okay. Yes, sir.
Where we usually stand?
Yes,
I mean, well, I can open up.
Yes, yes, sir.
Just very briefly, maybe for less than 2 minutes. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Well, as an ordinary citizen, as I'm not speaking now as a lawyer, as an ordinary citizen, if I am brought before a court of law, I should know the law that I have contravened. Yes. You cannot ask me to enter a defense for a law that does not exist, and particularly the law that the Supreme Court itself has declared non-existent. To what will I be defending? We're in a country where our laws are written. This is not England where you have an unwritten constitution or unwritten law. We have a country where all our laws are in black and white. This is a lawmaker here. They made the law we're talking about. And if you ask him, he will tell you that there is nowhere they made chapter 45 of the criminal code. They didn't make it. The Honorable, did you make that law? It is not in existence. So who made that law? Who made that law? Was that law made by the Attorney General's office? And the Attorney General does not have the powers to make laws. So I am saying, as an ordinary citizen, that Nnamdi Kanu is completely right and within Section 36 of the Constitution, which borders on his fundamental right to fair hearing, to be charged with in a court with a law that is in existence, not with a law that is not existing. Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bow.
Close it. Perfect.
If there is something that you fail to advise your mind, and the consultant